Hello and welcome to my daily t-shirt design tutorial. My name is David Isamoje. I'm the owner and founder of What a T-Shirt Design. I just want to say thank you to everyone who subscribed recently. Yes, I give shout out to everyone who subscribed. So without wasting much of the time, I'll just go through my notifications to find if YouTube have updated that. So let me just go to here. Radiation CY, thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you guys for your comment. Please, if you have any comment, please leave me a comment and I will definitely do that at the beginning of my video if I get straight right to the tutorial. So if you are joining me for the first time and you like my video or you want something or you have a suggestion, please just drop it down in the comment section, subscribe, and you definitely get a shout out. I just want to say thank you to what the tech reply has to say. I just want to say thank you for your comments, and without wasting much of your time, let me get straight right to today's video. So I'm going to open Canva. I'm going to open canva.com. I'm going to open canva.com. As you can see, it's opening. So now I will go to flat icons. This is where I get my element from. So for you guys that have been asking where I get my element from, this is where I get it. Please stick around. You might not stick around for the final stage where I place the design on the shirts, but you have to stick around for the first two stages, which are very important, which is the design stage and the removing of the background stage. So if you want to click off after, then you are free to, but make sure you click on for this stage, the design stage and the removing of white background stage. Those are the most important parts of this video. Those are the three parts you want to watch, so please stick around. So the first step, I'm going to set for an eagle. I'm going to set for an eagle bed. That's the first stage. Always remember, when you use flat icons, always give credit to the designers. They did a lot of work on this, so you make sure you always give credit. Always give credit. It's super important you give credit all the time. So just find a good eagle. So I think I like this eagle. Let's see who's the maker of this. I think I like this eagle. So I'll use this. So the maker is free pick. So you click on PNG. So the owner, you can see by free pick. So they are the owners. The owners of this site are the owner. So it's from free pick. This is flat icon. So always make sure you give credit. So this is the owner. So now you click on free download. If you're a paid member, you don't need to give credit, but as long as you're downloading for free, always make sure you give credit. Super important. So that's the first download done. As you can see, it's downloaded here. Then the second one will be the USA flag. USA flag. Those are the two designs I'm going to combine today in my design. I'm going to combine them today. So I'll just download this, and once I download it, we'll go straight to the design process. That should not take us a lot of time. So we'll just find a good flag. Just find a good flag. So we'll just scroll through to find one we love. I think I saw one at the top. I really like this. So now we'll just download this. Free pick is still the owner of this, so always make sure you give credit. So free download is downloading. Now we're done with this part. We'll go back to Canva. Create a new design. Custom dimension. The standard is 4,500. If you've been following my videos, you know this already. 5,400 pixel, not inch, not millimeters, not centimeters. Then you create your design. If you follow my video step by step and you're jotting down a little, you should be familiar with this now. So that should be on your mind now with your concept, if you are familiar with this design already. So now we'll go to where it says upload. So we're going to upload those two designs we have now, which is the eagle. But we'll start with the flag. because we want the flag to be under, so say USA. So this is it. So click on that, we'll bring that in. We'll bring that in. You see it has downloaded, so if we click on it, it should appear here. So we'll just over our mouse to this edge, click on our left mouse click button and drag outwards. Drag our mouse outward to increase. Then we'll just position this in the middle. So now we'll go over to upload again, and now we'll bring in, we'll look for our ego. Which is this one. So we'll just bring it in. It's going to upload here. Then once it's done uploading, we'll click on it once again to bring it into our design, as you can see. So now we have the ego. So we have the ego. So now that we have that all set, the next step is to download. As you can see, you can't download without the white background. If you do that, it's going to request for a paid version. But if you stick around, in the next step just after this, I'll show you how to do that in Photoshop. If you have Photoshop, I'll show you how to remove the white background in Photoshop. So now we'll just click on download. You're going to prepare your design and it's going to download it. So now it's downloading. Make sure you always check to make sure it has downloaded correctly and without errors. So now this should be it. This should be the design. Please, if you are still with me, thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the real fans, the ones who watch to the very end. You guys are really amazing. I just have to say thank you. Yes, I know I'm teaching you guys how to design, but watching the video, showing me that you are really interested, giving me the motivation to create daily videos, I really appreciate you guys. And if you've not subscribed yet, make sure you hit the red subscribe button. Make sure it's not red. Make sure your subscribe button on my channel is gray. If you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on daily videos. So now this is the stage you want to watch. You just right click and open with Photoshop. We want to remove the white background so that we can use our design on different colors, not just a white background colored shirt or mug or whatever. So now we open the Photoshop and remove the white background. So I'm going to show you that process. It's a simple process, but it can be complicated if you're just doing it for the first time. But if you've been following my channel, you should be getting used to it now. So now we'll just click on this one that says create new layer. There's the folded paper, create a new layer. Now click on this layer 0, which is our design layer. We'll come to this magic word 2, which is the magic stick. You can see, you click on it, click on the white, So now we have that, we have that on our design. But before then, okay, so like I don't want it to remove, I want the ego to still show up. So if I click on delete, it's going to remove so many parts of the design, which I don't want, so just leave that. Just leave that. The stroke won't work. So I'm going to quick select. We'll just use quick select for this. Use quick select So we'll just do that. So delete this, delete that. So we'll just do that for the remaining. delete. Just you can see we've just used about 10 minutes, so I don't want this video to be too long, so that's just how to remove the background. So pause this video and finish that up and I'll get back to you. So we are back. So now we'll click on the folded paper, click on layer 0, go to the magic word tool. As you can see, it's not here, so you click on this, then you select magic word tool, you press down, you press your left mouse arrow down and select this. You just click on the white space, then you just click on delete. Now you have your design, your background is left, so you have that ready for you. So now all you have to do is just save it. Make sure you save it as PNG, very important. So this one is going to be USA Eagle. So now we'll save it as PNG. Press OK. You can see it has not taken us more time, just about 11 minutes. Your design should not be more than 15 minutes per design. So if you are still sticking around now, I'll show you the final step, which is where to transfer, how to get it on your mockup. So we'll go back, pictures, mockup, and you guys should know this is my favorite by now, the Anger mockup. In my previous videos I've shown out where to get this mockup, so if you've not watched that, just let me know. If you need it, I'll just hit you up where to get it. So you double tap, you delete this design, and now you go back and bring in your USA, this should be it, your USA Eagle. So now you just drag this into the space, drag it into the space, and now you just over your mouse to this edge and you press down 3 buttons, your Alt key button, Shift key button, left mouse key button, and drag inward to reduce. And when you're done, you press enter, then you go back and save. Now when you go back to your shirt, it should appear on your shirt. As you can see, it will work well on a black shirt, so I'll just change that from a black. You can see perfectly fine on a white shirt. It's perfectly fine on a white shirt. So if I come over here, double tap, I can change it to any color of shirt I want. You can see any color of shirt I want. You can see it, but I think I'll just cancel this and leave it on a white shirt. So leave it on a white shirt, and I'll just save it. Very important to make sure you save, and after you save, check that you save properly. So I'll save this as let's say Eagle. I'm going to save it as PNG. Now you can use this saved mockup on social media to promote your design. If you want to pay, you have to pay for it. You do that, you're good to go. So to your right, you see my order playlist. Make sure you watch it and watch it well. Watch at least 10 videos. If you can bench watch 10 videos, you get super familiar with it. So to your right, you see the playlist. Make sure you click on it. I'll see you on tomorrow's video. Have a lovely day.